Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a Firebase project and enabling the services you need. Authentication and Firestore are common. Once done, copy the web app config values, API key, auth domain, project ID, messaging sender ID, app ID, and keep them handy. On WordPress, install a Firebase connector plugin or plan to add the Firebase SDK snippet into your theme header. Make sure to use a child theme or site-specific plugin for custom code, so future updates don't overwrite your changes. Now add the Firebase SDK to your WordPress site and queue scripts in functions. PHP or paste the official script tags into the header. Then initialize with Firebase. Initialize app, your config, and verify initialization in the browser console. Next, implement the authentication flow. Create sign up, sign in, and sign out handlers and request the ID token after login. Once you have the token, send it to WordPress for session validation via AJAX or REST calls. This lets your server recognize and authorize the user. Finish by validating Firebase ID tokens on your WordPress server. Use the Firebase admin SDK in PHP, Node, or a callable verification endpoint to decode tokens and confirm UID. Once verified, map or create corresponding WP user accounts and set capabilities or roles as needed. Test full flows. Login, token refresh, Firestore or DB access, and role-restricted pages. If something breaks, check console errors and token expiry first. Expired tokens or mismatched project config are the most common issues to resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.